We're making chicken roll-ups stuffed with pesto, tomato, and mozzarella. Start with 4 chicken breasts, cut in half for 8 thin cutlets, then pound to 1/8 inch thickness. Season both sides with garlic, salt, and black pepper. Spread 1 tablespoon pesto on each cutlet. Add 2 thin tomato slices and sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons mozzarella. Roll up tightly and secure with toothpicks. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter in an oven-safe skillet. Sear roll-ups 4 minutes per side. Top with remaining mozzarella and 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Then bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes until cooked through. Garnish with fresh basil. Serve and enjoy juicy, cheesy chicken roll-ups packed with flavor. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more.